dive into the world of reptiles. Ever pondered on how fascinating these creatures truly are? Picture an array of animals, some that slither, some encased in resilient shells, and others that scale trees with ease. Each one of these creatures, known as reptiles, brings a unique twist to the tapestry of life on Earth. Reptiles certainly aren't one size fits all. They come in a dazzling array of shapes and sizes. From the serpentine grace of snakes to the vibrant hues of lizards, the sturdy shells of turtles, and the imposing might of crocodiles, there's a reptile to suit every taste. Unlike us humans, reptiles are cold-blooded. They rely on the sun's warmth to rev up their bodies and stay active. It's akin to having a personal heater that never runs out of fuel. Now, imagine a creature that navigates the world without legs. That's a snake for you. Their intricate patterns and diverse species make them one of the most intriguing members of the reptile family. And while some can be venomous, most are harmless and equally captivating. Then we have the lizards, the artists of the reptile kingdom. From chameleons that change colors to geckos that defy gravity with their adhesive feet, lizards never cease to amaze. Speaking of unique, turtles are the real estate tycoons of the reptile world. Their shells serve as mobile homes, providing protection on demand. Whether they're gliding through the water or ambling on land, turtles are always at home. Crocodiles and alligators, the aquatic rulers, command respect with their formidable jaws and sharp teeth. They are the true guardians of their watery abodes. Reproduction in reptiles is also a fascinating affair. Many reptiles lay eggs, and it's a real treat when the babies hatch. It's like a surprise party every time a new reptile pops out, ready to explore its world. Reptiles also boast a variety of survival skills. From protective scales to the ability to puff up or change color, these creatures have their own set of superpowers to navigate the wild. And who can forget the mighty dinosaurs, the ancient reptiles that roamed the earth millions of years ago? While they may be extinct, their fossils serve as a window into the past, a natural time machine that lets us travel back in time. Reptiles have also left their mark on our culture, featuring in stories and art throughout history. From fearsome dragons in fairy tales to wise turtles in fables, reptiles continue to fuel our imagination. And so, we've journeyed through the extraordinary world of reptiles, witnessing their diversity, adaptations, and cultural significance. Whether slithering, climbing, or swimming, each reptile has a captivating tale to tell, making our world a wild and wonderful place. Remember, every creature, big or small, plays a unique role in the circle of life.